Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. So, here's another recipe that I bring to you guys that is a result of me wanting nice food while I am broke and using anything that I could find in my kitchen, in my fridge, or in my pantry. So, you're gonna go ahead and saute together your onions, finely chopped carrots, and some fresh chopped garlic, yes. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your ground beef. You can use chicken, whatever that you have, honey. Okay, saute it until it's browned. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your chopped up tomatoes. You're gonna add your tomato paste. As you can see, that was about the only tomato paste I had. Okay, so I added in there, honey. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and spice up your ground beef. I added some garlic powder, some onion powder, some mixed herbs. I added the spice and some aromat. You can absolutely use any spices that you have in your cupboard. Okay, honey, gonna go ahead and toss that around to infuse and cook the spices for about 3 to 4 minutes. Gonna go ahead and add your water so that you can get the ground beef cooking, and also we want the ground beef to be saucy. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and let it simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you're gonna add your chipotle sauce. You can add any other sauce, you don't even have to have a sauce. Like I said, I was just adding things that I had left over in my fridge. Cover it and cook until done to your liking, and you need it to be still saucy because once you add your pasta in there, you want it to be saucy, right? Not dry. So you're gonna add your cooked pasta in there and stir it together to combine, honey. Then set it aside. You're gonna go ahead to make your white sauce. For my white sauce, I added about a tablespoon of butter, and I seasoned it with the vegetable spice or seasoning. And I added a little bit more of flour because I wanted a bit more of the sauce. So ideally, if you're making a white sauce, you want to do equal parts flour and fat, and depending on the thickness, you add as much milk or liquid as you like. Then you gotta go ahead and keep stirring until it's smooth, honey. Don't worry, the flour will completely dissolve into the milk. Once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and put it on top of the mince and pasta, guys. I forgot to press record. Okay, and I did add some white Gouda cheese on top. Then I finished with some parsley and some chopped up green onion or spring onion, and that is the recipe, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.